Well, I'm on Wasootch Ridge, October 1st. There's Barrier Lake. It's really windy today. There's the ridge that I just walked up just off of Highway 40. And you can kind of hear the wind in the background. I'm in a nice sheltered spot at the moment. There's sort of the top of the ridge. You can see the cairn. Let's see if you can zoom in on it. Right there. Interestingly, when I got to the top of that, I was knocked over by a pretty strong gust of wind. And I ended up about 10 feet off the ridge line, so I got to be careful with the wind today. I'm in a really nice sheltered spot here. I'm going to keep going on. You can hear the wind above me. I'm going to keep on a little bit and just go up the ridge line there. A little bit of scrambling after the end of the trail here. See how far I can get. Pretty concerned about the wind though. Might not go too far.